Okay, boys and girls, we get to play with an E35 R series excavator. This is the new machine that Bobcat just came out with. Sorry, I was just closing the door. I wanted to make sure the audio came through. This is actually in their rental fleet. So it's just like the M series in certain details. The windows are larger. I think I pointed that out in the previous video. Drives nice. Got nice drive pedals. Auto idles after a few seconds. Nice different grab handles here, which the salesman actually noted to me. I didn't even realize it. So the nice thing about these machines like the E35 and this machine is the auxiliary hydraulics are active all the time. So see, if you put this up, see the hydraulics are now off because the machine is locked out. Put this back down, the hydraulics, see the green, are active again. Sorry guys, I'm doing the best I can holding the camera. And I can't drop this hammer because it's brand spanking new. I don't know how much it's worth, but okay. I think I got it hooked. I'll feel a lot better once I get it closer to the ground. This machine has, I think these have those double flange rollers. Helps with the ride, and it certainly does. This machine rides a lot nicer than my father's E32. See, not even the point is scratched because we didn't even get to use it not once. Not for one shot. Just going to take it nice and slow here. He said to put it with the other breakers, so guess I'm going to drop it over here. Help nestle it right into this spot, right over here, get it out of the way of traffic. Oh, that sucked. This machine is very fluid. Let's check them out in 2-speed. Not that quick. I'm not sure how fast this machine is supposed to go, but it's not as fast as the fast track. It is pretty quick. We're moving pretty good. Just to give you an idea of how fast we're going. But the hydraulics are smooth and precise. I was able to pick that hammer up very simply. Looks like a 2-foot bucket on it. Standard exchange. Doesn't have the power exchange. Standard blade. So the foot pedals are definitely easier to work with. To roll it back, roll it forward. These hooks, you can lock the window in different spots. See? Now that's locked in place. Rather than the old slide windows that would just keep rolling. So one of the things they did differently is, look, they mounted one handle here and one handle here. And what that is going to do is, that actually clears this whole top panel for you to get in and out easier. So that's actually nice. And if you're looking at it, it's actually up high and tucked out of the way. So you actually have pretty good visibility with that too. Even the grab handles are different. They gave you different style grab handles. So that's actually pretty nice. So you flip this off. Let's see if we can. Oh, so they made this piece solid now. So you have access, fuse box, hydraulic oil fillers up here, fuel filter there, and hydraulic oil gauges there. So you see this piece now stays in place, even though it's still plastic. It stays in place, which is actually pretty nice. Down, so I couldn't show you. This little hook in there, and that locks down. So that's a decent lock. This is the motor oil fill. There's your dipstick down there. Alternator is here. Starter is down there, so yeah, you can put your hand on it. Motor oil, muffler, air filter, coolant fill. So overall, I like it. I like the redesigns that they did. Looks pretty solid. Looks like they put good thought into it. Fuel fill is still on the side, which is fine. So, looks like a nice machine, ran nice. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Talk to you soon.